Unit 7, page 72, Exercise 1.
Did you see that TV show about the Atacama Desert in Chile last night?
No. Why? Was it interesting?
It was awesome. The desert is drier than Africa. In fact, it sometimes doesn't rain for...
Guys, please stop talking about deserts. Band practice is more important. And it's late.
But geography is really interesting. It was about deserts, mountains, volcanoes.
Yeah, Louis. Rosie's right. Let's practice.
Okay, Dylan, you can sing.
Me? No way! I'm terrible. I sound worse than a cat. Listen. La 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 la.
But my voice isn't as strong as yours. I can't sing in front of people.
Yes, you can, Rosie. You're a better singer than all of us.
Rosie's mom comes home.
Hi, guys. How's it going?
Things are getting more complicated.
Rosie doesn't want to be our singer.
Why not, Rosie? You have a beautiful voice.
You see, Rosie? Go for it.
7, page 73, Exercise 4. 1.
Did you see that TV show about the Atacama Desert in Chile last night?
No. Why? Was it interesting?
It was awesome. The desert is drier than Africa. In fact, it sometimes doesn't rain for...
Guys, please stop talking about deserts. Band practice is more important. And it's late.
2.
Me? No way! I'm terrible. I sound worse than a cat. Listen. La 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 la.
But my voice isn't as strong as yours. I can't sing in front of people.
Yes, you can, Rosie. You're a better singer than all of us.
3.
Hi, guys. How's it going?
Things are getting more complicated.
Rosie doesn't want to be our singer.
Why not, Rosie? You have a beautiful voice.
You see, Rosie? Go for it.
7. Vocabulary. Geography. Page 74. Exercise 1. Example.
The Atacama is a desert.
1.
Mount Everest is a mountain in the Himalayas.
2.
Africa is a bigger continent than Europe.
3.
The Atlantic Ocean is between Europe and Africa in the east and the Americas in the west.
4.
The Amazon is a very long river in South America.
5.
Germany is a country in Europe.
6.
How about going to Lake Michigan tomorrow?
7.
Jamaica is a beautiful island in the Caribbean.
8.
The Mauna Loa volcano is in Hawaii.
9.
Spain's east coast is on the Mediterranean Sea.
7. Communication. Asking for tourist information. Page 76. Exercise 1.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I want to visit the Central Park Zoo. How much are the tickets?
They're $12 for adults and $7 for children.
What time does it open?
It's open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. It takes 2 hours to see all the animals.
Where is it?
It's on 5th Avenue near 65th Street.
How can I get there?
You can take the subway to 59th Street and then walk. Or you can take a bus and get off between 59th and 64th Streets. The M1 and the M2 stop there.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Unit 7. Communication. Asking for tourist information. Page 76. Exercise 2. Jesse.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, please. How much are the tickets for the Empire State Building?
They're $22. No, sorry. They're $25 for adults and $19 for children.
That's a lot. They were $20 and $14 last time I visited.
Allison.
Hi, I want to visit Madame Tussauds Museum. What time does it open?
It's open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay, thanks. Where is it, please?
It's on West 42nd Street, and you can find it between 7th and 8th Avenue.
Carlos.
Hi. I want to go to the Statue of Liberty. Can I get the subway there?
No, you can't. The subway doesn't go there. But you can take a ferry. It takes you to Ellis Island Museum, too. Would you like to visit the museum?
Yes, please. What are its hours?
I can look for you. They're 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Unit 7. Skills. Reading. Page 78. Exercise 2.
Our changing planet. Our planet is getting warmer. We know it changes our weather, but it changes the geography of our planet too. Beaches are getting smaller. When water gets warmer, it expands. And when the ice at the North and South Poles gets warmer, it melts. As a result, our seas and oceans are getting bigger, and some islands are losing their beaches. The beautiful beaches of Hawaii are very popular with tourists, but they are growing smaller each year. The government is spending millions of dollars to make beaches bigger with sand from beneath the sea. But the problem is very serious. Mountains are growing taller. The surface of the earth has two parts, the soft mantle and the hard crust around it. The crust looks like a jigsaw puzzle, and the pieces are always colliding. They push land up, and mountains appear and grow taller. And this happens again and again. But scientists also think that with less heavy snow and ice on the mountains, it's easier for them to grow. In Patagonia, the mountains increased in height by 3.9 centimeters between 2003 and 2006. Volcanoes can become more active. Warmer temperatures can make volcanoes on dry land more active. Melting snow and ice adds water to the oceans, and they become deeper and heavier. There is greater pressure on the ocean floor and less pressure on dry land. This makes it easier for volcanoes to erupt. Volcanic eruptions make countries and islands larger. One example is Big Island in Hawaii. Its volcano Kilauea is very active, and its lava is forming new land. Hawaii's beaches are shrinking, but its land is getting bigger.
Unit 7. Skills. Listening. Page 79. Exercises 3 and 4.
On May 18, 1980, the volcano Mount St. Helens erupted. Mount St. Helens is in the United States, and its eruption was bigger than any other in U.S. history. 57 people died, and the disaster destroyed huge areas of land. Today, I'm with Edie Matthews, who was 14 on that day. Edie, what do you remember?
It was a Sunday morning, and everything was quieter than usual. Usually there were a lot of birds and other animals in my garden, but there was absolute silence. Then I noticed that the sky was darker, too.
Did you know immediately what the problem was?
No, I didn't, because we lived about 240 kilometers from the volcano. My uncle called and told us about the eruption. He lived nearer to the volcano than us, but luckily he wasn't in any danger.
Were you scared?
I think I was more surprised than scared. We knew that the volcano was ready to erupt, but we didn't really expect a big eruption. However, it wasn't only a little lava, it was an enormous explosion.
What did you do?
We went to our grandmother's house. During the day, the sky got darker. The air became hotter and started to smell worse, too. However, the photos of the black land around the volcano look worse than any of my memories. They're a reminder of the people and animals who lost their lives.